Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, it's August the 15th, 2022, and we are going to take a look at our spiraling ginger. Here we are. The spiraling ginger is spiraling out of control. Not really, but it's definitely looking good. So what we're focused on with the spiraling ginger is number one, soil conditions, and 1.1 location in the yard, which means sunlight condition. Dappled sunlight, they seem to love it, and soil conditions, just sand. This Florida's garbage sand, that's it. So they're thriving, they're doing good. And we have a little surprise here that I actually was aware of in, I think, late June, early July of this year. And that is that our ginger actually was not dead. It came back up. So it seemed to have waited until it was hot, and it rained heavily. Only got a few good heavy rains so far this year in summertime, which is very odd. Extremely odd. Usually we're flooded out by this time of the year, but that has not happened. Seems to be like somewhat droughty conditions. Anyhow, these guys are thriving, and they're green, they're doing great. And I'm really excited. I want to see what the yield is. What my main intention right now is to propagate. I want to propagate both the edible ginger there, which is the ginger root, and then the spiraling ginger, which will also be edible once the flowers come. But I'm not sure when those are going to come. This is my first time growing these, so we're going to learn together. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of both of these gingers. Have a great day.